In today's show, Bitcoin trader eyes US dollar for Bitcoin price breakout Q as Ethereum clings to $2,000. In today's show, I'll be breaking down the latest technical analysis for both Bitcoin as well as Ethereum. Also in today's show, Bitcoin is a miracle and better than gold, says Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak. That's right, he was recently interviewed and said, gold is limited and you have to look for it. Bitcoin is the most amazing mathematical miracle. I do not invest in Bitcoin, but I believe it's here to stay. I'll be breaking this down for you. Also in today's show, the highly anticipated Ethereum hard fork is locked in for launch. That's right, we're talking about the London hard fork, which is designed to overhaul the controversial Ethereum fee structure, which is rolling out soon, according to project team member Tim Bako, the leading coordinator of several Ethereum upgrades, who says the hard fork should land on August 4th, as he shares here in this tweet, and it's merged. Expect client releases end of this week, early next week, and a proper announcement early/mid next week. I'll be breaking this down for you. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin whale movement signal crypto market bottom is in, says on-chain analyst and statistician Willy Woo. He recently tweeted, as price grinds sideways bearish, coins are being scooped off the exchanges at a very bullish rate. P.S. The latest sizing of withdrawals versus deposits are at local highs at levels that signal a bottom. Whales are scooping, and he continues. Quantitative supply shock underway. Last time I saw this, it took some time before the price bounced in October of 2020, and it bounced hard. I'll be breaking all this down for you. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin barely back in the green as Ethereum and most of the alts are currently in the red. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, today's episode is brought to you by our sponsor, BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. Here's where you can put your crypto to work and earn up to a 10% APY on select stablecoins. And the new flagship product is a BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card where you can earn 3.5% back in Bitcoin on all purchases. They also recently ditched their annual fee, truly making this a no-brainer to take advantage of this offer, as well as receive up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $100 or more. Go ahead and use my referral link in the description right down below. And if you haven't received your card yet, please have patience. There's hundreds of thousands of them on the waiting list. But the good news is they just started shipping these cards out. So take advantage of it and let's start stacking those sats. Shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. Hope you're enjoying your Friday. Thus far, we have a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. Bitcoin stayed below that critical $33,000 mark on July 9th, with a fresh price dip also putting an end to the altcoin strength. As you can see right here in the Bitcoin 1-hour candle chart, Bitcoin flips that $33,000 support. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView followed Bitcoin as it ranged below the previous support level into Friday. Earlier in the week, 33,000 saw multiple tests but remained in place as support. This is only coming undone on Thursday. 33,000 then became involved in a form of short-term support/resistance flip, with Bitcoin unable to reclaim it and conversely seeing rejection at each attempted rally. And at the time of this recording, Bitcoin's trading at roughly 32,700, stuck in a narrow range with 32,000 as its floor. For popular trader Crypto Ed, the time was right to eye macro trends for hints as to what could happen next for the Bitcoin price action. In particular, the US dollar was on the radar. Upside in the US dollar currency index, currently at 92.4, should first subside in order for the crypto markets to have room to breathe. Checking out this tweet from Crypto Ed, still keeping an eye on the US dollar currency index for strength in crypto. I think not before the dollar reaches the red boxes, reverses, and continues its downtrend. About $94 equals it is. Now, the US dollar currency index trend tends to be coupled with increased price pressure on Bitcoin, with the reverse also true. This inverse correlation is not foolproof. However, with the past year seeing multiple exceptions to the rule. Now, altcoin stalls, the Bitcoin price drops. The top 50 cryptos by market cap saw modest losses overnight, contrasting with previous strength. Ethereum, the largest altcoin, likewise traded sideways despite continued progress on its upcoming London hard fork, which I'll break down in greater detail here for you in today's show. And as noted by trader and analyst Red Capital, price action can still target levels below 2,000 and remain confluent with the overall uptrend in 2021, quoting him here, lots of confluent support in the $1,850 to $2,000 area. He added as part of his various comments on Thursday, an attack on 0.07 BTC for the Ether/BTC pair likewise ended in defeat as the week drew to a close. This itself short of a major resistance at around 0.075 BTC, as you can see right here on the Ether 1 hour candle chart. And checking out this tweet from Rec Capital, he shared, in theory, what this means is that even if Ethereum briefly lost the multi-month high or low in black and retraced to the high 1800s, Ethereum would still maintain the bottom of its blue wedging structure. Lots of confluent support in the $1,850 to $2,000 area. And this was a response to this tweet here. Ethereum is forming a downtrending wedge. Ethereum will continue to coil in towards the apex of this pattern until a major trend decision occurs. The apex of this pattern is approximately confluent with the black high or low, which has spanned the entirety of 2021, as you can see right here on your screen. Now, which cryptocurrency are you currently most bullish on? Is it the king of all crypto or Ethereum? Let me know in the comments right down below. And before I break down our next story of the day, Bitcoin is a miracle and better than gold, says Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, as well as highly anticipated Ethereum hard fork locked in for launch this August, as well as Bitcoin whale movements. Signal crypto market bottom is in, says on-chain analyst Willy Woo. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin barely back in the green, up 0.55%, trading at $32,750. We have Ethereum down 0.4%, trading at $2,069. Chainlink down about 5%, trading at $17.80. Polkadot down about 2%, trading at $15. And Cardano down 3%, trading at $1.31. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak has reportedly reiterated his positive stance on the king of all crypto, despite not being a Bitcoin investor himself, at least not on paper, right? A vocal proponent of Bitcoin who once called it the only digital gold, Wozniak reportedly referred to Bitcoin as a miracle of technology and a unique mathematical formula at Talentland Digital 2021, a major virtual event in Latin America devoted to technology and innovation. And according to Thursday, a report by local news agency El Sol de Mexico, the Apple co-founder has also indicated that Bitcoin is better than gold, implying that it's easier to mine Bitcoin blocks than finding and extracting gold. That, my friend, is a fact, quoting Wozniak right here. Gold is limited and you have to look for it. Bitcoin is the most amazing mathematical miracle. I do not invest in Bitcoin, but I believe it's here to stay. Very powerful words coming from the Apple co-founder, and many industry players and analysts had referred to Bitcoin as digital gold, as both gold and Bitcoin have a limited supply. Or do they? Because, hey, they're still finding and discovering gold in mountains in Africa. You can't say the same for Bitcoin, as there's a hard cap, limited supply, making Bitcoin the hardest form of sound money to ever exist, thus potentially retaining value in the market. While gold is limited by physical supply and difficulty of extraction, Bitcoin mining is capped at 21 million coins by its source code, meaning that there will be no single new Bitcoin once the last coin is mined in 2140. So there you have it. We have another 120 years, and then all Bitcoin mining will be completed. Now, Wozniak's remarks come after Ricardo Salinas, the third richest man in Mexico, who declared that it's absolutely right to refer to Bitcoin as the new gold. That's totally right. Bitcoin is the new gold, but much more portable. Transporting Bitcoin is so much more easier than having gold bars in your pockets, the billionaire businessman said. Let's not forget how easily confiscatable gold bars truly are. You can't travel with them. They're very limited at the end of the day. Now, Wozniak provided similar comments on Bitcoin previously, claiming that only Bitcoin is pure digital gold back in June of 2018. The tech guru noted that he bought into comments from Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, who had repeatedly argued that Bitcoin will emerge as the single currency of the internet. Let me know if you agree or disagree with these words by Jack Dorsey. And before I break down our next story of the day, highly anticipated Ethereum hard fork locked in for launch this August, as well as Bitcoin whale movements. Signal crypto market bottom is in, says on-chain analyst and statistician Willy Woo. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting at $1.37 trillion with $71 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, with the current Bitcoin dominance at 45% even, with the Ether dominance at 17.8%. Now, checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have ZRX up 17% for the day and 29% for the week, trading at 85 cents. KuCoin token up about 10% for the day and 82% for the week, trading at $12.69. And Synthetics up 8% for the day and about 65% for the week, trading at $10.62. Now, checking out the top losers within the top 100, we have Decentraland down 17% for the day, but still up 21% for the week, trading at 62 cents. ENJ down 11.5% for the day, but still up 9% for the week, trading at $1.16. And Theta down 9% for the day, but still up almost 3% for the week, trading just under $6. Now, out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins in particular are you currently most bullish on? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now, checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 20 in extreme fear, and last month we were a 14 in extreme fear. So it's unfortunate, but we have been stuck in extreme fear for a very long time. However, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, like we're witnessing right now, BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. The highly anticipated London hard fork designed to overhaul the controversial Ethereum fee structure is rolling out soon, according to project team member Tim Bako, the lead coordinator of several Ethereum upgrades, says the hard fork should land on August 4th, as he shares right here in this tweet. And it's merge. Expect client releases end of this week, early next week, and a proper announcement early/mid next week. And right here it shows you the London network upgrade specifications for all my fellow tech nerds out there that want the 411. I'll include this in the show notes below the video. In the description, first proposed back in 2018, the EIP 1559 is designed to drastically restructure the fee mechanism of the Ethereum blockchain, because as we all know, the Ethereum blockchain gas fees are outrageous, and this upgrade is supposed to fix all of that. It will introduce a standard fee that will be the same for all users, called a base fee. EIP 1559 will also make Ethereum a deflationary asset, as Ethereum transaction fees will either be burnt or deposited into a long-term mining pool. One of the other hard fork upgrades is EIP 3554. Ethereum currently has a difficulty time bomb that makes mining the asset more difficult over time, as described by the Binance Academy. The bomb will eventually make mining a block so tough that lowered profitability will discourage miners from mining Ethereum 1.0 and convince them to shift to Ethereum 2.0. EIP 3554 delays that time bomb until December 31st, when Ethereum 1.0 should be fully merged into Ethereum 2.0. This is critical to keeping miners happy, according to popular crypto analyst Lark Davis. Checking out his tweet storm right here on the Ethereum London hard fork, which he says is coming soon. Here's what you need to know. It may not actually be soon, LOL. Ethereum, man. Anyways, the core devs are meeting on the 9th to discuss the release. It was originally scheduled for the 14th. August 4th is now being floated, could easily be pushed back months. By the way, there is no fork coin to claim. You will also not need to do anything if you're using a regular wallet or exchange account. Those running nodes will need to upgrade. The proposed upgrades to this are currently live on Ethereum testnets. In total, there are 5 technical upgrades included in this fork. EIP 3554 is the difficulty bomb delay until December 1st. This is critical to keep miners happy until the proof of stake merger can happen. EIP 3198 gives EVM access to the block space fee. EIP 3529 removes and reduces gas refunds. EIP 3541 rejects new contracts starting with the 0xEF byte. The biggest and most anticipated upgrade is EIP 1559, which will introduce a base fee and fee burning and will make layer 2 more reliable. And while the base fee features are very important, what excites most investors is the fee burning mechanism, which is like an automated stock buyback mechanism. Over time, this will make Ethereum deflationary. In his final thoughts, this is an important upgrade and continues to underline the forward thinking of innovational nature of Ethereum. So there you have it. Let me know if you're pretty excited about this Ethereum London hard fork. Do you feel it will be rolled out sooner than later, or will be pushed back? Once again, let me know your honest thoughts in the comments below. And before I break down our final story of the day, Bitcoin whale movements signal crypto market bottom is in, says on-chain analyst and statistician Willy Woo. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 830 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also, some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. Also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, as well as Apple's iTunes and Google Play. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and TikTok, so be sure to follow me there. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. New data on the amount of Bitcoin being scooped up by crypto whales and retail traders signals the bottom is in, according to on-chain analyst Willy Woo. How many of you agree that the Bitcoin floor is in at about $28,800? And how many of you disagree? Let me know in the comments below if you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go lower. Woo is taking a close look at the flow of Bitcoin to and from crypto exchanges. He says despite sideways price action, investors appear to be buying coins on exchanges and sending them to private wallets at a healthy pace. Checking out his tweets here on crypto Twitter. As price grinds sideways bearish, coins are being scooped off the exchanges at a very bullish rate. P.S. The latest sizing of withdrawals versus deposits are at local highs at levels that signal the bottom. Whales are scooping, as you can see right here in the spot exchange net flows. He also tweeted, here's another view of it. In terms of supply shock, the ratio of coins available on exchanges versus supply inverted, so it tracks price. Quantitative supply shock underway. Last time I saw this, it took some time before the price bounced in October of 2020, and it bounced hard, as you can see here with the Bitcoin supply shock ratio. He also shares that a quantitative view of supply shock measured in hodlers who ain't likely to sell versus the ones that do. As you can see in this graph, it shows you the Bitcoin liquid supply ratio. So although the timing of a turnaround is uncertain, Wu says that the fundamentals are strong enough that he wouldn't want to be shorting the market. As he shares in this tweet, in my opinion, anyone short this market will get wrecked given enough time. It's just a waiting game until the fundamentals prevail. And I agree 100% with Willy Woo. I feel that the Bitcoin floor is currently in. I feel those shorting the market are inevitably going to get wrecked. It's only a matter of time. And I know the whales are mass accumulating, and a supply shortage is likely in the future for the king of all crypto. And we all know basic supply and demand stock the flow. If there is a limited supply with a massive demand, that drives up the Bitcoin price. And as far as my Bitcoin price prediction top for this year, I like Max Kaiser's prediction of 220,000 per BTC. And as far as a cycle top for this particular cycle, which may peak out by next year in 2022, I'm predicting $300,000 plus for the king of all crypto. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments right down below. Now for a quick recap, what I covered with you here in today's show: Bitcoin trader eyes the US dollar for Bitcoin price breakout Q as Ethereum clings to $2,000. Also in today's show, Bitcoin is a miracle and better than gold, says Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak. Also in today's show, we discussed the highly anticipated Ethereum hard fork locked in for launch this August, as well as Bitcoin whale movement signaling crypto market bottom is in, according to on-chain analyst and statistician Willy Woo. And as you can see, Bitcoin is back above $33,000. Let's go. Where do you think the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.